Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys, and this card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aquarius, and I also have your special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that reading, guys, so that may answer some doubts or confusions you have in your mind about your situation. So that will follow this reading. So let's start with these cards here. For your general energies, guys, we have Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Eight of Wands and Empress in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, guys. Aquarius, you are a very successful person. You are in a very important place, important position in your life. Maybe you are someone in a position with authority and power, and you are very successful and you have a social status and things are going well in your situation today, guys. Maybe you have that power and authority, and the way you go about your life, maybe the way you deal your situation, people close to you, it may be someone from your career work situation or in your personal life, person who is in relationship with. So they may feel that you are trying to be too bossy, trying to use your power on them, trying to be really controlling, dominating in some ways. So maybe for some of you, if that is what people feel around you, you need to go for moderation, guys. Go for humility in your actions or in the words you speak. And Aquarius, I also see that there are positive changes happening in your life today, guys. In your career, you are seeing growth, a positive progress, changes are happening today, and you are seeing beginning of some new project or some great responsibility, maybe a beginning of a project, and you are working, putting in lot of efforts for that. Or it may be in your personal life, you have deeper commitment now with this person. You feel really responsible and you have a lot of commitment and you are working towards that, guys. And for some of you, there is a messenger coming. Maybe it may be some kind of a positive news, positive message reaching you today, guys, Aquarius. And maybe there is some kind of revelation taking place in your situation, maybe some kind of truth. Maybe you were in doubts about some circumstance or some person. So the truth behind that circumstance, or what is that person's truth, that is being revealed. Maybe this message is revealing the truth today, guys, for you all, Aquarius. So some kind of knowledge, something is coming into light today, clearing all that confusion or doubts whatever you had, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have King of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe there were some rumors, some confusions that was happening before or that happened before, but today you are having that clarity. You have that clear mindset, things are what to say, revealing, unfolding, letting you know that secret or knowledge, whatever happened in your situation, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Five of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, guys, there are some things not happening up to expectation. Maybe some troubles are there in your situation, but you will be able to overcome that, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So if you want more clarity, Aquarius, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. So I will keep this card here. So let's see what is this card for y'all, guys. The first card, the human gift. So this card comes with a special guidance, guys. Maybe in your situation, in your circumstance today. In the past, maybe certain circumstances, it was not clear and you did not know what to do or what is the reason for that situation or what is happening or what happened in that particular situation. You do not have any knowledge. But today you are seeing things clearly. You have that insight, the truth behind the circumstance, guys, and what has happened. And it is simply shocking you. What you perceive today is simply revealing the truth, truly shocking for you. And you are feeling some kind of wonder, or you feel that you cannot believe yourself for thinking certain things, but what is right in front of you is something totally different, guys. And you are to trust your perception, the way you see your situation. And maybe what you perceive may be something dark, something not right, or something bad, but you should not judge that circumstance or judge that situation. So you need to see that circumstance or that person as it is, truthfully, with that compassion in your heart, and you will be shown the very graceful way to come out of that difficult situation. Free yourself from that darkness from within and without, and from your situation, from your circumstance, guys. So you need to be really compassionate and graceful when you perceive the truth today, maybe of some circumstance or some person. So if you have that compassion is going to help you out of this difficult situation, guys, in your life. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the other card. I will keep this card here. So the second card, let's see what is this card. So it is Puss in Boots. That is the card for y'all. So this card just means that you need to be really intelligent, charming, and using your wits and talents to make things go for you guys, and you need to be really clever, and you need to be what to say, diplomatic in situations, certain situations, what needs your diplomacy, and in certain situations you should use your charming skills, your talents of persuasion to proceed in the right way. So whatever opportunities you are seeing today, maybe in love, whatever you need, you should try to use each and every opportunity, guys. And for some of you, there is a friend who is clever, who is really talented, and who is really guiding you with their intelligence. So if you have someone like that, you need to use that person's advice, guys. So that may help you a lot today. And I also see that you should not waste any opportunity. So you should go forward, grab those opportunities, whatever you are having, and try to work things out. It may be in your career or it may be in this relationship. And you, whenever whatever behavior is the appropriate ones, maybe sometimes you need to be diplomatic, and sometimes you need to be strong, hold your hold on to your views, and be maybe try to persuade the other person to follow certain things. So when your situation calls for that behavior, you should go for that. So handle any situation with that skill and talent, so that way you will be really successful, guys, in your relationship and in your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.